First of all, open File Explorer. Search for this PC option. Click this PC. Click C drive. Click Program Files into 86. Search for Google. Click on Google. Click Chrome. Click Application. Here you can see Chrome. Rename it. Rename it to Chrome 2 or 1. Chrome 2. Click Enter. Right click on Chrome 2. Click Show More option. Click Create Shortcut. Click Yes. Now minimize. Open Chrome from shortcut. Now close this and now open File Explorer again and rename Chrome 2 to Chrome. Press enter and close this and open it from Chrome. Open any. Now your problem should be solved.